वो जो सामने आपको पहाड़ दिख रहा है वो माउंट एल्बर्ट का पहाड़ है। तो आज हम लोग वहाँ जा रहे हैं। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। दिस इज़ योर होस्ट मनु। आज 19 सितंबर है, शाम के 5:15 बजे के आसपास का टाइम। और जैसे मैंने आपको प्रॉमिस किया था, आज हम लोग अपना पहला एपिसोड शूट कर रहे हैं ऑकलैंड वोल्केनो सीरीज़ का, एंड वी आर हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स माउंट एल्बर्ट। बहुत ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है यहाँ से, इट्स प्रॉब्ली अबाउट 6 or 7 kilometers, or maybe a little less. Okay, so this is the Dominion Road market. Got a few shops here. Bank se leke, you've got a few takeaways and restaurants. I'm just thinking, while we are गोइंग टू माउंट एल्बर्ट, बीच में रास्ते के अंदर एक बड़ा ज़बरदस्त, नॉट ज़बरदस्त एक, लेकिन बहुत पुराना एक इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट आता है, रेस्टोरेंट एंड स्वीट शॉप। मैं सोच रहा हूँ, यू नो, मे बी आई थिंक आई शुड ग्रैब अ समोसा फ्रॉम देयर डिनर से पहले, प्री डिनर मील। व्हाट डू यू गाइस थिंक? लेट्स डू अ समोसा टुडे। You got lots of sweets. मिठाई खानी है तो समोसा खाएं। But I think I should skip the sweets. Let's have the samosa. Samosa is how much? It's $1.50. So $1.50 का समोसा, जो कि इंडियन रुपीज़ में कितने हो गए? Around 67-68 rupees. So we've got the samosa. Let's go to the top of Mount Albert and we'll have the samosa there with the beautiful view. तो जी आ गए हम लोग सन ड्राइव पे, and now we're gonna go all the way up. This is the entry to the top of the Mount Albert. Now what I'll do is I'll take you guys around the top of the crater on the motorcycle for once, and then I'll park it on the side ताकि हम लोग कुछ जो trails हैं यहाँ पे छोटे मोटे वो भी explore कर सकें. I think that will give us a very good view of the crater itself as well. So now what you see on the right here, that is the wall of the crater. तो हम लोग जिस सड़क पे चल रहे हैं उसके right hand side पे wall है crater की, and beyond that wall to the right is the crater itself. So I'll go around this for once, and then I'll park the bike somewhere so that I can actually walk on foot and show you all those places. Look at that beautiful view. So this is the bird eye view of the Auckland city. वो जो सामने आपको दिख रहा है, that is Mount Eden volcano. We'll go there one of these days as well. That is Eden Park, जहाँ पे सारे cricket matches होते हैं whenever the Indian team is visiting Auckland. वो सामने जो है वो माउंट एल्बर्ट रोड है, जहाँ से हम लोग अभी भी आए हैं। This is towards the south of Mount Albert. So basically Mount Albert की जो height है that's 135 meters, 135 meters height है, जो कि तकरीबन 433 feet होता है. इसका जो Maori name है that is Owairaka, which literally translates to place of Wairaka. Wairaka was basically a daughter of Toroa, who was a Maori commander in the older times. So I've just stopped here close to the top of Mount Albert just for a view. So I'm panning from the south towards the west of Mount Albert. Beautiful. The cloud formation is beautiful. You know, you've got a full bright sun out today. Or now I'm climbing towards the top, you know, the topmost point here in Mount Albert. So those there are Waitaki ranges, और उनको क्रॉस करने के बाद वेस्ट को शुरू हो जाता है. That's the view towards the south. Now I'll go towards the gate again. I'll park the bike there. उसके बाद हम लोग पैदल चलेंगे कुछ और क्रेटर के आसपास जो ट्रेल्स हैं उनको एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए. They're not very long trails, छोटा मोटा सा रास्ता है, but we'll still go there so that we'll be able to cover that as well. So this right here is the main crater floor. This is where things got interesting many thousands years ago. यहाँ पे archery club है आजकल and people come here to play rugby over the weekends. Now I'm climbing on top of one of the walls of the crater. Towards my left is the Sky City, the city center. If you can see that view, the beautiful view. And to the right is the crater floor. I'll just do a 360 of where I'm standing here right now so that you'll probably get an idea. Isn't that beautiful? Look at those beautiful trees. So there we are. Thank you for joining. This was our episode on Mount Albert, which is one of the volcanoes here in Auckland. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. If you'd like me to include something in particular, please put it down in the comments. I'll be more than happy to go through the comments and do the best that I can. Once again, thank you very much for joining. I'll catch up with you very soon with our next episode on the Auckland Volcano series. Thank you once again. Bye bye.